This crispy cabbage, carrot and potato bake look like this golden firm and sliceable. This is not an omelette, it is a potato flour bake, and that's why it comes out like this. In this video, I will show you the exact ratio, how to avoid soggy vegetable in one pot without oven. We rinse the vegetable quickly to clean them, but we don't soak them. Soak in add water and make the bake soft. Make sure to squeeze out all the waters. Dry vegetable equals to crispy texture. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like simple recipe that actual work, subscribe to EasyBites for more simple recipe every week. First, add spice to the vegetables and then add flour and mix until everything is lightly coated. The egg come in last. The texture should be thick, not running. This should look like thick mashed garlic, not pancake batter. I'm using a non-sticky pan on a low heat. Low heat is what gives us a golden crust without burning. Spread the mixture evenly and press it flat. Cook and cover for about 18 to 20 minutes. When the bottom is fully set, the whole thing moves as one. That's when it's ready to flip. I flip it using a plate. Add a little oil and cook the other side for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it rest for 5 minutes before cutting. This helps it stay firm. And remember, this is not an omelette. Potato are the base, flour is the binder, and dry vegetable are the secret. If you like simple recipe that actual work, subscribe to EasyBites. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.